Hello, welcome to 4.3 day 1 and day 2. We're going to be doing both of them together. We're just going to keep practicing graphing a line and using the slope and y-intercept to graph a line. So here we go. Here's our vocab. So when you see a equation, that b at the end, which is our y-intercept, that's where you start. It's the beginning. It's our very first point that you do. Then y equals mx. The m is our slope, and that tells you which directions to go. Our slope is always in fraction form. The top number tells you to go up or down. Up is positive, down is negative. The bottom number always tells you to go left or right. Left is for positive, right is for negative. Okay, so here we go. Here's my first example. I'm going to graph this number first. -1 on the y-axis, not the x-axis. It's not here. Don't put it there. It's on the y-axis. Some people were doing this. Make sure it's on the y-axis. So let's see if I can get my highlighter out. The y-axis. Your dot has to be on this yellow line. So -1 is going to be right here. That's my first dot. I'm halfway there. Next, I'm going to look at my fraction. That top number is going to tell me to go up or down. Bottom number is going to tell me left or right. Since it's a +2, it's going to tell me to go up to the positive numbers. So I'm going to go up 1, 2 from my dot. See how I started from the dot? From the dot, I'm going to go, start at my dot, I'm going to go up 1, 2. Then 3, +3 down here tells me to go to the right 3. Here's all the positive numbers. So I'm going to go to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, make a dot. Then you connect your dots by going all the way through your dots and adding arrows. And you're done. Let's do another one. Okay, I have a +3 here on the y-axis. That means I start up here. Next, I'm going to look at my fraction and it's going to tell me where to go. There's a negative sign out here. That means this fraction is negative, and that means just one of these numbers is negative. So you could choose whatever one you want to be negative. I'm going to make 5 negative because I'm going to have to go down 5. If I left 5 positive and 2 negative, that means I'd have to go up 5 and I won't fit. So we're going to go down 5, right 2. So -5 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. +2 is to the right. Go 1, 2, make a dot. Connect your dots and put arrows. Good job. Let's do one more. All right, so I got a +4 here. +4 is going to go right up here. -3. Uh-oh, this doesn't look like a fraction, Mrs. Abbott. Well, that's because you had to make it look like a fraction. You can make any number look like a fraction by putting it over 1. So now I have -3 over +1. So -3 tells me to go down. 1, 2, 3. That +1 tells me to go to the right, and I make a dot. Connect my dots, and we're done. Let me know if you have any questions.